this one says, good morning to you. My name is Abraham from Isolo. I usually enjoy following this program a lot. Every Thursday, I do not miss it. Now, I have a dry cleaning business, and from what you are saying now, I can say that my business is low margin. It's low margin because I usually think it was high margin, but you broke down at the beginning of this discussion how much you spend. I thought I was making money, but after breaking down right now, I found out that I'm not making profit at all. What I'm making is about 30%, which you've considered as a low margin.
Yes.
And I don't have a lot of customers. I think I'm in the graveyard.
First off, congratulations, because the first solution to a problem is to know the kind of problem that you have.
Yeah.
So this is somebody that has finally realized that this is the reason I'm struggling. I enter this place, everybody's washing clothes, dry cleaning, but this is why I'm struggling. But the good thing is that now that we know what the problem is, we know a way out of it. And all we do is apply the 3 formulas that I gave you. Interestingly, this is the type of business we've discussed before under the business of idea, how to find business opportunities in a tough economy, infrastructure businesses, right? So one option is that you have to find volume. Right now, you're trying to find volume by yourself as a business. You're trying to sell your brand. What if you become an infrastructure for other people that want to market as a dry cleaning business?
What about if you don't have the money to have that infrastructure?
That one you don't. So right now, you say it's in a dry cleaning business. I want to assume you already has the infrastructure. You already has washing machines.
Maybe it's just a small place, small.
Yeah. So what he does is that start your dry cleaning business in 24 hours. That's his pitch now. Start your dry cleaning business in 24 hours. Unlike before. Before you used to sell, bring your clothes to me, let me wash. Change your pitch. Start your dry cleaning business in 24 hours. Let people that are thinking of starting a business go out there. Maybe they're already working in places where they can get access to people that have laundry to wash. But you become the back office. They come to you to do the dry cleaning. You give it to them and then they supply. So you are supporting marketers. So you are now a dry cleaner for dry cleaners, which gives you access to a deeper market than when you're marketing yourself as a dry cleaner yourself. That's just one way. The second option is a premium segment. I want to believe he's not offering the same service to everybody. Is there a premium service like get your clothes in 6 hours or 24 hours, home delivery, bespoke washing, like bring your duvet, curtains, or those items that are not typically part of the menu. We wash rugs or whatever. Create offers where you can charge a higher premium. If I want to wash my rug now, I don't know where to ask to compare that price. So I will likely take your price. Because the rug is not something that commonly people wash all the time. In fact, many people don't even use rugs anymore. To wash a duvet, wash towels or something like that, create an offer that gives you the opportunity to charge higher, make a higher margin. Even though your volume will be low, you will be more profitable. So it's a combination of these factors that he can bring in. But I salute him. Now he knows what the problem is. He's in the graveyard zone. He needs to either move into mass markets, which will be harder, but with the infrastructure model, he can enter mass market, or he needs to upgrade to boutique.
Okay. Thank you. Now, we have another question here. It says, good morning to you. My name is Ijoma. I'm a fashion designer. I make very good gowns, quality clothes for people's occasion. After listening to you right now, I want my product to be high-end. I want it to be high margin and also high margin and high, what do you write here? But I guess we wanted to say high margin and high volume. Mm-hmm. Okay, or maybe high margin or low volume. So I want to know what it will take to make my clothes like those you're talking about, the Apple brand, to make people want my product and be ready to pay high for it. What should I promote? How do I go about this? I don't want to be for everybody, but I want to make profit. For example, there's a lady that I follow on Instagram. She makes fine gowns for people and she charges people in millions. That same clothes, I can make it and I cannot. They don't bond me well to tell people to pay 1.2 or even 1 million. They usually pay, the highest I've been able to collect is 200, 150, 200. And I can make clothes too. So what is the secret, sir?
First place I'll start. Who will buy? The lady that is selling for 1.2 million, the only difference, and she has confirmed it, she can sew the same clothes. The only difference is that she's selling to a different kind of customer. A different kind of customer that is happy to pay 1.2 and is so grateful that this woman has the time and attention to actually make one for her. It might even shock you that the 1.2 million person was made to wait several weeks because this person has created an impression of scarcity I'm very busy. I only make clothes for very few people. In fact, right now I'm fully booked. Can you wait another 1-2 months and then I'll attend to you? And the person will be standing on the line with 1.2 million. Wait for 2 months. You will come and say, madam, why are you standing on this line? I can make this thing for you. Collect it tomorrow. The woman will tell you no. Perception of value is in the eyes of the customer. So the first mistake is who you are selling to. There's a reason why the woman is selling on Instagram. The kinds of people that she wants to sell to are the kinds of people who will likely see something like that on Instagram and then buy.